We understand that only some have the means to splurge on high-end products. That's why, in today's video, we will introduce you to a selection of the best budget-friendly options in the business. Head over to the description to find the most up-to-date pricing and comprehensive information about our featured products. NVX XSP692. These speakers are designed to deliver high-quality sound and exceptional performance, making every drive a musical journey. With a peak power handling of 900W, 300W RMS, these speakers offer powerful and crisp audio reproduction, while the Silk Dome tweeters provide clear and detailed high-frequency output. The X-Series speakers are built to last. Their two-way coaxial design offers a wide frequency range, delivering a balanced and full sound. 92 X-Series Coaxial Speakers. Whether you're a music enthusiast or simply looking to enhance your in-car entertainment, these speakers will provide an immersive and dynamic listening experience, making every drive more enjoyable. Kicker 47KS to produce natural and highly detailed highs, answering a full spectrum of sound. The sensitivity of these speakers is rated at 85 dB, making them responsive to a wide range of frequencies, with a frequency response spanning from 30 to 21,000 Hz. These 6.9-inch coaxial speakers are designed to fit seamlessly into almost any vehicle with a mid-range design. They feature a slim top mount depth of 2 15/16 inches and a bottom mount depth of 3 3/16 inches. The result is a speaker system that allows you to play your music at concert-like volumes while maintaining a smooth and subtle sound. To maximize their performance, it is recommended to power them with 15 to 150 watts of RMS power. Enhance your car's audio with the Kicker 6X9. Whether you're a music enthusiast or simply looking to improve your in-car entertainment, these speakers will provide a noticeable upgrade in sound quality and clarity, making your drives more enjoyable. Infinity Reference RF9633X. Enhance your automotive sound experience using the Infinity Reference with a maximum power handling capacity of 300 watts and a steady 100 watt RMS. These speakers are meticulously engineered to captivate your senses. The three-way configuration includes a +1 subwoofer, delivering enriched bass responses, a mid-range driver for balanced mid-tones, and a dedicated tweeter that renders crystal clear and intricate high-frequency notes. This harmonious amalgamation results in a complete and engrossing auditory journey. Recognized for their unwavering dedication to excellence and product durability, the REF 9633X speakers are expertly crafted to withstand the rigors of in-car audio, ensuring years of dependable performance. If you're searching for a means to elevate your in-car entertainment, look no further than the Infinity Reference RF 9633 X-69 three-way coaxial speakers. Experience your favorite music with newfound clarity and precision, making each drive a more pleasurable and musically immersive voyage. Pioneer TS-A6977S. Elevate your in-car audio experience with the Pioneer TS-A6977S A-Series 6 X9 four-way coaxial car audio speaker. Crafted for music enthusiasts and aficionados of car audio, these speakers offer robust sound and remarkable performance. Boasting an impressive peak power handling of 650 watts, these speakers are meticulously engineered to deliver a substantial audio upgrade, ensuring crystal clear and dynamic sound. The four-way configuration encompasses a potent subwoofer for deep bass, a mid-range driver for balanced mid-tones, a tweeter for sharp high-frequency notes, and an additional mid-range driver to span a wide range of frequencies. Pioneer is a reliable name in the car audio industry, renowned for its innovation and unwavering dedication to audio excellence. The TS-A6977S speakers are built with durability as a priority, assuring their ability to withstand the rigors of the open road. BLAUPUNKT GTX69. It features a high-quality PP cone with a rubber edges, a specialized ferrite magnet structures, a high-quality steel baskets, one aluminum voice coil, and a mylar dome tweeters for clear sound reproductions. Its starting frequency is about 10 Hz for the deep bass effects. This model comes with 4 of 3-wire non-stretch hookups wire with zip ties. Its output powers is 700 watts and it has an impedance of 4 ohm. This premium quality coaxial speakers is designed with the latest technology, gives you the best sound quality. The 6X9 four-way coaxial speakers has a high-quality PP cone with a rubber edge that gives an superior sound performance. It features a ferrite magnet structure for extended bass response. The high-quality steel basket gives a powerful bass response with outstanding musicality. Additionally, the aluminum voice coils ensures high power handling capacity. The mylar dome tweeters provides clean, crisp sound quality. So, set aside your favorite tune and start enjoying music at its best with this 6X9 4-way two-way coaxial speakers, pair, are a fantastic addition to your car audio system. Designed to provide a clear and powerful sound experience, these speakers offer an excellent balance of quality and value. With a peak powers handling of 280 watts, 70 watts RMS per speaker, the SXE-6926S speakers can significantly enhance your in-car audio. The two-way coaxial design includes a polypropylene cone for robust and dynamic bass response, while the silk dome tweeter delivers smooth and detailed high frequencies. Alpine, a trusted name in the car audio industry, is known for its commitment to quality and innovation. The SXE-6926S speakers are built to last and can withstand the rigors of the road. If you're looking to upgrade your car's audio system without breaking the bank, the Alpine SXE-6926S 6-9 two-way coaxial speakers are an excellent choice. Experience improved sound quality and clarity in your vehicle, making every drive more enjoyable. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channels and hit the bell icons to get notified of our new videos.